plastic jar, made from 100% BPA-free, food-grade plastic to ensure safe usage. 6-piece container set with jars of 225 ml each, multi-purpose basket holder to organize the container set. Product link is given in the first description. 2. Fridge storage boxes, used for storing vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, leftover food, or can be used to store dry ingredients in the kitchen in the storing racks. Fridge organizer may prevent from various odor in the refrigerator. Product link is given in the second description. 3. Container designs which can regulate the flow of air in and out, control the humidity inside, help prevent spoilage, keep fruits and vegetables fresh for up to 2 weeks for maximum freshness. Product link is given in the third description. 4. Vegetable basket. Vegetables and fruits can be cleaned, drained and kept fresh with it. The fridge container comes with an outer container and a filterable basket. Product link is given in the fourth description. 5. Masala jar. It is safe for food storage and has a non-slip design. In this manner, you can place it on your kitchen table and display it with other food ingredients. Product link is given in the fifth description. 6. Plastic spice rack. It has 16 spice jars, 120 ml each, with twistable black lids, which make them easy to open and use. Each lid has a plastic sifter insert with 3 holes, allowing you to fill the jar and easily access its contents. Product link is given in the sixth description. 7. Plastic checkered jar. Meet your need for multiple containers to store different volumes of products. It comes with capacity options of 1000 ml, 500 ml and 200 ml, which can be used to store cereals, spices. Product link is given in the seventh description. 8. Tea sugar salt container. Container body is scratch and break resistant with scientific locking mechanism, i.e. Easy lock lid enables you to lock and unlock container simply by fold down to lock the container and lift up to unlock. Product link is given in the 8th description. 9. Stainless steel nested container. Owing to the heavy gauge material, the containers have a wall thickness of 0.45 mm and the small one weighs 230 grams, the medium one weighs 310 grams and the large one weighs 430 grams. Product link is given in the 9th description. 10. Belly-shaped masala box. It consists of 7 separate removable stainless steel cups and a small utility spoon for convenient handling and ease of use. Product link is given in the 10th description.